Daily work in a CRM involves a large number of tasks for yourself, for your team, and for each client. To avoid losing control, you need a convenient overview by status, assigned person, type, and deadline. In this lesson, we will cover how to view, filter, and sort tasks in SendPulse CRM. Let's look at how you can view your tasks. Go to the desired board and select one of the viewing modes: Kanban board, list, or calendar. In Kanban mode, tasks are shown as cards in the relevant status on the board with the following data: name, priority, start and end dates, links to related deals and contacts, the assigned manager, and the number of comments. In list mode, deals are shown as rows. For each task, you'll see its name, priority, deadline date, the assigned manager, watchers, links, tags, and the creation date. You can also click the three dots to add or remove fields. In calendar mode, the task name is displayed in the cell for the correct date. To view a specific task card, just click on it. In the expanded card, you'll see the task name, ID, status, assigned managers, watchers, and the creation and last update times at the top. Within the card itself, you'll also see the task's priority, dates, tags, and attached files. If needed, you can edit the tabs by deleting, disabling, reordering them, or adding new ones. Now let's look at other options for finding and viewing tasks. To get quick access to the tasks you need, use the search feature with different criteria. On the selected board, go to the top and select Filter, then click New Filter. By the way, you can save created filters and use them in the future by clicking on Saved Filters. The filter form will appear with the following fields: date created, name, the assigned manager, watchers, priority, contact, deal name, tags, and completion date. You can also add condition. Here, you can remove fields you don't need or reset the conditions to the default. After filling in all the fields you need, click the Select button. The board will show all tasks that match the selected criteria. To clear the filter, click the image icon. Now that we've covered that, let's talk about communication during task completion in projects. A task in a CRM is also a tool for team interaction. Managers can clarify details, hand off tasks to each other, and record important information. And all of this is stored in one place. Every task has a Comments tab. It's visible as soon as you open the task to edit or view it. This is the place to record details that emerge during the work process, make clarifications between team members, provide a manager's response or reaction to a client's actions, store useful links or internal instructions. You can enter up to 5,000 characters, tag a manager, add emojis, and attach files. As you can see, the text field has all the necessary tools for formatting and highlighting text. You can use the Enter key to move text to a new line or create a new paragraph. After entering a comment, click Send. On paid SendPulse plans, you can reply to a specific comment in a thread so your response doesn't get lost among others. To do this, click on the list of existing replies or the reply button under a comment, and then type your response in the text field. Click Send. The reply will be attached below the main comment. Comments are saved in chronological order, showing the date and time, the author, and the comment itself. Comments are visible to all CRM users who have access to the task, ensuring transparent team communication. All changes related to a specific task are automatically recorded: the date, the responsible team member, and the name of the event with the data that changed. To view the history, open the task card and select the time period to display events: all time, last year, 3 months, and so on. You can also choose the type of events to view: all events, comments only, or emails only. You cannot delete events from the history, but you can delete irrelevant comments. To do this, click the three dots next to the comment you want to delete and select Delete. From the history, you can also see the following events: task creation, changes to the task status and priority, changes to the task description, when and to whom a task was assigned or unassigned, and more. Finally, let's look at how to export tasks. This is useful for saving important information, for sharing with management or other team members, or for reporting. Go to the My Tasks section and click on the board you need. You can select specific tasks from the list on the page or use a filter. Please note, if you don't select specific tasks, the file will contain all tasks that were on the board at the time of export. So select all the tasks you need from the list, click the Export button, and choose the file format you want. Wait for it to be ready, after which you will see a notification in the top right corner. The file will export the following fields: task name and description, the assigned manager, deadlines, task creation date, the name of the related deal, added contacts, and custom fields. To download the file to your device, click Export and then click on the file name with the corresponding date. The file will then download to your device. So we've just seen how to view tasks, edit them, work with filters, leave comments, and view task history. We also saw how you can easily export tasks into a file for reporting or communicating with other team members. In the next lesson, we will talk about setting up the board.